You have built your e-commerce store. You are getting some sales. Now you want to market directly to your customers and you are stuck between two options, email marketing or WhatsApp marketing. One is old school, one feels like the future, but which one actually makes you money? Stay till the end because the answer might surprise you. Today we are doing a real head-to-head comparison, numbers, use cases and a clear verdict for e-commerce brands. Let's start with the most basic question. Are people even seeing your message? Email marketing has an average open rate of 10 to 20%. That means if you send to 1000 people, only 100 to 200 actually open it. WhatsApp, the open rate is 98%. Same 1000 people, 980 of them open your message. Why? Because WhatsApp messages land where people talk to their friends and family. It feels personal. People open it within minutes, sometimes within seconds. Email, on the other hand, competes with hundreds of other promotional emails sitting in an already crowded inbox. So round one goes to WhatsApp by a landslide. Now let's talk about what it actually costs you. Email marketing is incredibly cheap at scale. Tools like MailChimp or Klaviyo charge a flat monthly fee. You can email your entire list for one fixed price. For large audiences, the cost per message is almost zero. On the other hand, WhatsApp Business API, which you need to send bulk messages, charges per conversation. It's not expensive, but it does add up as your customer list grows. And since July 2025, Meta now charges different rates depending on whether your message is promotional, a utility update like an order confirmation, or a customer support reply. So if you're a new brand on a tight budget, sending mass campaigns, email is more cost effective. If you are sending targeted high value messages to a smaller warm audience, WhatsApp's cost is absolutely worth it. So round two, email wins on cost at scale. WhatsApp wins on ROI per message. Now let's talk about in the round three about conversion rates. Here's where it gets actually interesting and where most people get this wrong. For abandoned cart recovery, one of the biggest revenue opportunities in e-commerce, WhatsApp recovers 20 to 30% of abandoned carts. Email just 5 to 8%. That's not a small difference. That's 4 to 5 times better performance. And overall conversion rates, WhatsApp campaigns show 45% higher conversions compared to email, according to Meta's own commerce report. Why? Because when someone gets a WhatsApp message with a product image, a discount code, and a buy now button, it feels like a friend recommending something, not a brand blasting them. So round three is a clear win for WhatsApp. Round four, if we consider content and depth, here's where the email fights back, and this is important. Some things simply cannot be done on WhatsApp. Imagine you are launching a new Eid collection. You want to show 10 products, tell your brand story, include customer reviews, and link to your blog. That's an email. Beautifully designed, rich, detailed content. WhatsApp is for short, punchy, action-driven messages, not built for long-form storytelling or weekly newsletters. Email is also the professional standard for invoices, policy updates, and formal communication. It builds brand credibility in a way WhatsApp simply doesn't. Round four goes to email. It's the king of content and brand depth. Now round five, local reality. Now let me talk about something most YouTube channels won't tell you. Because they are making content for the US or UK market, in Pakistan and across South Asia, WhatsApp is not just an app, it's the communication platform. Your customers are on WhatsApp all day. They buy on WhatsApp, they ask for prices on WhatsApp, they share products on WhatsApp. Email, a large portion of your local customer base either doesn't check it regularly or has never signed up for a brand's email list. So if your target is Pakistan or South Asia, WhatsApp isn't just a nice option. For many businesses, it's the primary channel. Email still matters for B2B premium brands and customers acquired through international markets. But for local D2C and e-commerce, WhatsApp is where the money is. Now overall, so which one wins? Honestly, neither, because the smartest brands in 2025 are using both together. Here's the winning combination. Use email for welcome sequences, product launches with rich content, newsletters, invoices, and nurturing cold leads over time. Use WhatsApp for abandoned cart recovery, flash sales, order updates, customer support, and reactivating customers who have gone quiet. The customer journey looks like this. A customer discovers you through an ad, they sign up on your website, you capture their email, they make a purchase, you capture their WhatsApp number. Now you have got both channels working together, each doing what it does best. That is how you build a marketing engine that prints money. If you want us to break down how to actually set up these flows, the exact automations, the tools, the message templates, drop a comment below and we'll make that video. If this was useful, hit subscribe. We are dropping practical marketing content for business owners every week. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.